And it's now going to prompt us with the next step here, which is going to be linking an external bank account in order to fund your new Fidelity account. Now you have two options here. You can either set up direct deposit if you want to set that up through your employer, or you can also link a bank account and transfer up to $250,000, which is a very sizable amount of money if you wanted to invest that the same day. We're going to click on link a bank account at the top, and it's now going to bring us into the bank setup. You have two different options here. You can either do an electronic funds transfer or a bank wire transfer, and you can also make the decision here whether or not this is a business bank account. And you have the option of using Fidelity, which is going to be an instant verification method where you enter your username and password, or if you prefer to enter your account and routing number manually, you can click on enter my bank information on my own. We're going to leave it just the way it is and click on the green continue button. And at this point, we're going to click on the next button to start the steps here for linking the bank account. So what you're going to do on this screen here is click on your bank if it's listed below, or you're going to search for your bank if you don't see it listed. At this point, you're going to click on the next button once you've selected your bank, and you're going to enter your user ID and password. From here, you're going to click on the submit button at the bottom, and in most cases, you'll get a two-factor code that you have to verify. And at this point, it's going to bring up a list of the bank accounts that you can link, and if you have multiple accounts, you're going to select the account that you want to link as your source of funds. And this will also be the account that you withdraw funds to if you decide to transfer money out of your Fidelity account at a later date. So go ahead and select one of your accounts and then click on the save button. And just like that, we successfully linked our bank account. So at this point, if you want to initiate a transfer right away, you can click on the go to transfer button, and then it's going to prompt you with the steps here to initiate the transfer. So you're going to select the account that you just linked as your from account, and then you're going to select the to account, which is going to be your new individual Fidelity account. Now you can do a recurring transfer here if you want to do this on a set schedule, for example, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. But in this case, we're just going to do a one-time transfer. And as mentioned before, we're going to be investing $100 in this new Fidelity account. So we're going to click on the continue button at the bottom. At this point, you have to review the transfer details. And if everything looks good, you can click on the submit button at the bottom. And then the transfer request has been submitted. Now, this is going to give you an estimate on when the funds will arrive, and it looks like it's going to take about 1 to 2 business days. So if we click on the X in the corner, we can now navigate back to the home screen, and it should show something about this transfer on the main screen here. Yes, you can see here where it shows $100 in the individual account, but because the transfer hasn't settled yet, it shows that there is $0 in settled cash. Now, it looks like they do give you an advance here that you can use to invest with, so you can invest that money right away, as it shows $100 available to trade. So if you wanted to invest before that money settled, you are able to do that with your Fidelity account.